Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I will be doing some pineapple mango carrot juice. Okay, I have some pineapple cut up, I have the mango and carrot here, I have some ginger, some lime juice, and quarter cup of sugar, my bullets strainer. So, and I have some water on the side, so I'm gonna get started now. So let's go. First I'm gonna add my pineapple. So guys, you can also do juice in your bullets, right? If you don't have a blender, just use a bullet. I use my bullet for everything. Okay, carrot and mangoes, I'm gonna add those now. Sorry. Carrot and mangoes, my ginger right here, I'm gonna add those now. My lime juice is right here, I'm gonna add that now. That's roughly a tablespoon of lime juice. And guys, I'm gonna add my sugar. See, I don't use all of it, I still have some in here because I don't want it to be too sweet. And then finally I'm gonna add my water. So you just want to take it to the maximum of the bullet right here and close it. Guys, point to know, because you're not doing a smoothie, you don't want it to run for too long. Alright, you just want it to blend so that you can get it to strain. Alright, this is the strain now. Guys, I'm gonna strain this now. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna strain it. Get a spoon or something to assist the strain. Right. Okay, I want to get everything out of this. So guys, you can add it back. You can just add it back. Add some more water. Add some more water. Because I don't like my juice thick. I don't know if you like your juice thick. But if you like it thick, you don't have to add any more water. Alright? That's okay. I'm gonna strain this one more time. I want it to be as smooth as ever when you are drinking it. So you can do another strain. Alright? So again guys, another strain. this is a juice and not a smoothie, so it's gonna be watery. See it? I got more stuff from it. Yes, so you have to do that until it's. You have to do that until you have as minimum particles on. And there you have it, guys. We have pineapple, mango, carrot, ginger with a bit of lime juice. Delicious. Okay. Remember to like this video, share it with your families and friends. It's easy. Foods are in season now, especially mangoes, so you can substitute the other food and make a nice juice instead of drinking unhealthy stuff. This is very healthy. It's a juice from the foods. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment on what you think about this delicious juice that I just made. Alright, mango carrots juice. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Please remember to watch my other videos here at the end of this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for the support. I thank you. Bye. Bye.